Hello everyone, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel. Okay, right now we are going to make a reaction video. This is actually my first reaction video and this has been recommended to me by my friends, and this is actually Jessie Tandingan's performance in China. I think there's a competition there and she joined. So she sang Rolling in the Deep. So let's see. I'm very, very excited. I haven't seen the video yet. So let's see how it goes. Okay.
We could have had it.
Hey, come on, my girl.
This is Jessie J.
Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it,
Oh, she actually created her own version of the song, right? Woo! Wow. Wow. She's good, right? She's from Mindanao actually. Represent!
Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart. Reaching, I feel the picture was bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it.
Go girl!
The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help it. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Oh, you had my heart inside your hands, and you played it, you played it, you played it. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Oh, you had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it to the beat. Check this out, ha! Mga ginaming malulupit ng mga propeta, pilit kong pinapasa. Dala ko ng mga kargada, papatunay na kinapagalaw sa mga salita. Hindi mo na matatagalin ng mga babalaan. Ito magsimula, yo! Ha! Parang sakit ako kumikirot, pinabalang ka magtunggali mo na oy kumukulupat. Ngayon nantindihan man na ta, malaking pagkakamali na ako pang binangga. Abangan ng mga talata.
Go,
Pagkakitawa ko
girl!
ng liriko, di mo na makakayanin nito. Pinabato ka ng mga salita, pero di ka na makakagalaw. Katakataka na napakalakas ang pinakamalapit na kinakatakutan, pinakamalakas. Ladies and gentlemen!
That was so good. Yes, Queen. Wow. That was really good. I didn't actually expect that. She's great. The last time I saw her, she had this dreadlocks on her hair, and but right now she looked good. Wow, that was awesome. I didn't actually expect the rap, the Filipino rap, in the middle of the song. That was great. Wow. KC Tandingan. I am so excited to see your next performance. Wow, that was actually awesome. I really enjoyed that. So, that was actually my first reaction video. I think it went well, right? So please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye!